Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. I don't know if you've heard about our full controls for the XV16. These do not fit the Warrior. They fit the 1600 and 1700 Roadstar, or Wildstar as we call it over in the UK. As you can see, billet, proper CNC, beautifully made. This is all proper CNC billet alley. They do run on .5, which is a lot better fluid anyway. It doesn't attack your paint or anything, so you can run the .5 quite safely on these Forwards. This is what we do. So basically this will bolt up to your frame with these two holes here. It's got a bit of a slot to allow for any imperfections in the frame. As you can see, stainless steel here and billet. So the thing is absolutely unbelievable quality. This isn't the usual rods and bobbins thing that goes back to your original things. This is a complete billet set of Forwards. Okay, beautifully made. You will need on here a different master cylinder banjo, obviously, because it's further forwards, and this will be a Harley-Davidson fitting. You can see here, beautiful quality again, all CNC billet. This is your foot peg and your shifter. When this is on the bike, okay, you will have this arm here will be straight up, and then you can use one of our optional shift rods. This is another option that we do. If I can hold this thing, no I can't, but basically these are different sort of rods. You know, you can use any sort of standard Harley-Davidson rod, or this one here, okay? But quality wise, I can absolutely 100% guarantee you'll not get anything this well made. These are all made in UK. All these adapters, the Fords, we buy from a big machine shop overseas. But as you can see, the quality of these things is second to none. If you're interested in any Wildstar parts or whatever, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu when it's eventually done. Thank you.